There, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to make video calls on Snapchat app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to make video calls on the Snapchat app, first open up your Snapchat app like this. And after opening the Snapchat, on the bottom left corner of your screen you can see the message icon. Tap on that message icon, and over here you can see all of your chats. Choose one whom you want to call, and after choosing, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the video icon. Tap on that video icon like guys. The video call had been initiated, and there guys, this is how you make video calls on the Snapchat app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.